some clouds. Oh, but wait, the moon. And yeah, a star below it. Been a couple of them floating stars out there that blink. And I was just trying to figure, there's a dog barking over that direction and it just quit. Sounded like it was almost in the 3/4 piece. I mean, you know, sound carries. And come over here to sneak inside and see how Blakely's doing. Got to see her momentarily yesterday. I thought Ty got video. They stuck her on my lap while I was on the loader. But we'll see what we get today. Neighbor says we're supposed to get an inch of rain between now and Wednesday. Who knows? 90% chance today, but when you look at Google's little forecast thing, it's like 10% this hour, 15% that hour, 10% the next hour. And like I say, who knows? We'll see what we get when we get it. Look what I found when I came in. What you looking at me for? Yeah, you reaching? Reaching for the camera? Where's your smile? I got a smile, but let's smile for everybody else. Where's your smile? No smile for everybody? Oh, there's a little smile. Got a little bit for you. So, Blakely says Monday morning, everybody. Well, that's what was left last night. And it's starting to tinkle. Put the pallet forks on because Mom went to town to get a bunch of lime. Hopefully it's actually on a pallet. Makes it a lot easier. The orb is up. The cows are out. I should be loading that one out of the feed barn right now, but it's kind of in a quandary. And Ty's babysitting because why? Oh, hey, Becky got to get her shot, her allergy shot, which is a good thing because Kaiser's nurses are on strike. They weren't sure if they were going to be able to give her shot or not. It depends on who's striking at the moment. So it was really peaceful over there in Tualatin, no? Because the pharmacy's on strike too. So nobody was there. I think about the only thing going on was the allergy clinic. She's on her way home. And Ty's babysitting Blakely. And poor little kid had a blowout, so they're over there in the trailer relaxing. As soon as Becky gets back, Ty can come back outside. And me, yeah, I just wait for somebody to show up so I can get some lime. Then Ty can start spreading lime. Then we can get some straw spread. Never-ending cycle, right? Oh, I don't know if Becky got that sprayed yesterday or not. She said she didn't get in front of the machine shed, and there's not a lot over there. She did get all that over there by the backstop. Oh, come on, focus through. There you go. And the bin and the chute, all that. I don't know if she got down there by the cow lot or not. It's nice and green now. I think she did. Because I had that feeder was still sitting there, and she wanted me to move it. And I said, just spray around it. The only thing you're going to miss is like a 1/2-inch little strip all the way around underneath it. And she probably didn't even miss that, so good thing she got that done yesterday because it's supposed to get wet today. Well, that's as far as that made it. Skid steer's tucked in the calf barn with a pallet of lime on it. And it's lunchtime, so, well, close enough anyway. Grab lunch and do something. I kind of wish that one was backed in the dry, but that's all right. It ain't gonna hurt too much. A little straw will stick to it, no big deal. So yeah, that's what we got going on at the moment. Rain. Just enough to get everything wet in the last 5 minutes.
is how we spread our bales at the end of the season. We can clean the entire barn out, timed it.
As you saw, I got 2 bales stuffed in here. They just fit. Oh, that was a chunk. Ty kind of had it made with just one yesterday. He wants me to go forward. Okay. In case you're wondering, these posts are on. That was the antenna on the roof. These posts are on 12-foot centers here. This is 9 foot wide at the front axle and the front tires, 8 foot on the back. And the axle's sticking out. So it's a tight fit. And I'm turning the floor on and off. I know it's going to take about a full bale in there. Actually, a bale plus some. And there's a few chunks it's just throwing instead of... Well, that didn't sound good. I hope I didn't just poke a hole in the roof with the antenna. Or break the antenna off. I'm trying to see her, you know, in dark clothes. Try to use your hill to advantage. Can't move. And she's got shop gloves on. So really all I can see on her through this dirty window is what you see of her. She's trying to wave me in and guide me which way to go, and I had no freaking idea. But anyway, this gets it broke up. Then I just move it with the grapple on the skid steer. First bedding's easy anyway. She's going to get me out here too far, and I'm going to have too much to go get. She's kind of like your proverbial flagger. Stand in the shadows on a hot day so you can't see them. Usually with a red vehicle behind them so you can't even see they got a stop and slow sign. I really wouldn't mind having a shed we could just fill full of like this, and then all I gotta do is take the thing. I want it to move forward, and I won't. Take the skid steer with the grapple and scoop it up and bring it in. But I don't. Still trying to throw me hand signals over there, but I can't see her now. She's behind a post. Anyway, bring it back. Yeah, there's no antenna. Thought I heard it snap off. She says it's caught up in the rafters over there. So, but yeah, here's what we got. I'm downhill a little bit, and that's all the room we got on this side. I mean, that's barely enough room for me to sneak through.
Still on it, up there.
She says the spring's still up there. I guess that's half the battle.
Yeah.
Spring's cost.
Right here.
Hey. Well, there's one busted up fire stick antenna. took the end nubbin off the spring, so that might press back in. Yay!
No, I couldn't see it. So like,
Looks bare.
Couldn't see it.
So yeah, it's a snug fit. I had to pull ahead about 4 times and try to get the back of the spreader downhill because it kept wanting to go uphill.
Well, you can't see me, and I have to take
And,
this right here.
and like now she takes her gloves off now that she's done guiding me.
I finished that, dude.
See, I couldn't see her hands at all. All I could see was a big white mask on her face. Anyway,
I couldn't see the other day anyway.
at least I can walk by down here and go get the skid steer. And
I wonder if it's very minor open bag.
oh, she had an open bag back here. Huh.
Yeah, because I did this very quickly because I knew someone was still going to be right here.
Well, yeah, but you didn't do that.
No! You didn't do that!
There's your bag. Yeah, part of it. That's what we ended up with. It's just regular lime. Ag lime, barn lime, whatever you want to call it. Same shit. It is not hydrated lime, but it should help. Hydrated lime is actually supposed to kill all them little bugs you get in stuff, like the ones that cause naval infections and that kind of thing. I gave her too much. I had to take 2 scoops out. I only put 2 scoops in, but it was 2 scoops off that really high pile, so they were big mouthfuls. And the rest were little mouthfuls, which I just kind of flunked, and all she's had to do is push them to the side a bit. And it looks like she's going to need one more in here. Because that bare spot's still going to be bare. And I need 2 more bales anyway. I got some down there where the calves go. I know there's enough over here. By the time they get scattered out, it won't be piled up as much. But that leaves the whole center section and most of that. So 2 more bales it is. Oh yeah, and right here. I just got to drive the tractor back out in the rain. Everything sticks to everything when it rains. And we got to remember to. I thought I was about it. I wasn't sure I was that close to it. So I had the loader right here. I could have stood up on it. I got that. Oh well. Kind of pisses me off. I'm glad I didn't put a hole in the roof with it though. That much I'm glad of. We used to actually hook this spreader onto the 135 and do this with small bales and just go like first gear and just creep. And with the 135, this is a wider section here. You could get over here and spread a load and do the same thing down below and then in the middle, and then the last little bit you just had to move side to side. Hi, Buffalo. I didn't want to walk in the line and then get on the tractor, but oh well. It is what it is. And this poor thing, both cases need new door stripping. This one needs different hinge pins. They're too small. Doesn't help with the stripping. See a little bit of movement? Because it's the wrong hinge pins in it. And we put a cab kit in this at one point in time. I gotta say, it seems like the cab kits and the John Deere's hold up better. Although this has been falling apart for about 3 years, and the cab kit in the 3394 is only about a year newer, maybe 2 years newer, and it's still holding up pretty good. Well, the heifers are happy. They want over here. I don't know why. Tie's just about done. I got a grapple full, but may have to go somewhere else. Usually it's a little over a bale for over there, and then 3 bales for all this. And part of what goes in here usually goes over there, but that's already done. And Red went and moved. Red was just chilling over here. I was going to show you Red relaxing in the straw while he could. He really did move. He disappeared. No more Red. Huh, he must have thought he was in trouble because he was going to be on video. Oh well, anyway, we're about ready to let the cows in. We're not going to put the wires across there because I like to get a little manure at the base of that. You know, we'll let them get it good and dirty and then keep them out of there. Otherwise, it doesn't clean worth a damn. So, yeah, I don't know where to put this though. There it is. She's ugly, but she works good. I had the square tubing on there to hold pallet forks before, so that's what I made it to go to. And well, it wobbled too much, so then we made it so it bolts up here. But I tried moving a semi-trailer and bent that. That's why it's not all the way down. So I may have to do a little heating on that. I have to take it back off and put it back on. I don't know. Because it's not down far enough. And yeah, my cheapy pins, just a piece of pipe. That's all it needs. But that's all scrap except for the cylinders. I think they were brand new when we put them on. Everything else was scrap. I don't know what that tube was in a former life, but it had stuff welded to it. And I think I put these on for lifting it. I'm sure I put those on. But anyway, old cylinder rods. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, I think. And then just miscellaneous to fill in. Yeah, both ends were cylinder rods. And the other end pieces. I was in a hurry when I did it, so I didn't cut them off, and it helps keep it off the ground when I was laying down anyway. So I got to do a little cleaning up on that one anyway. But I get a hell of a lot more out of that feed barn. It doesn't do anything in the main barn because I'm scooping. You know, I'm trying to get it off the ground, but in manure storage, where it's 5-6 feet deep, you go straight into it, grab it, and you get twice as much. And it's about to rain, and it's garbage night. I said after laying in wheat straw, she's running in to shower, leaving me to take the garbage out. Yay! I just got to go find a bike. I've been keeping my bike up here, but oh no. Somebody else uses it, and they leave it in the back barn. So I got to go back there to get it.